everyone, it's Arlene, and I'm going to show you today real quick how to make a placemat for dining room table. I'm actually just making a placemat type of thing for underneath my coffee machine at my coffee bar that I'm making, which I'll have a full tutorial on how I did it. I transformed 2 pieces of furniture into one. So now I'm just gonna, this is a drop cloth that I got from Home Depot, and I washed it and I dried it, and now I just got done lining my shelves for my coffee bar with it, and I have this piece extra. I mean, I still have a whole big thing, but this is what's left from the strip that I cut. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna cut it how wide I want it. I'm just gonna make it like a square to put underneath. So now once you make your cut, you can just tear it. And it basically tears it straight. So, let me see. I think that's a little too big. I'm gonna make it smaller. So again, a cut and tear. That looks good. So now what I want to do is the ends, I'm just going to start pulling out some of these strands because I want it to look a little bit frayed at the ends. So I'm just going to continue to pull strands out. And see how it's fraying it at the end? It looks real nice like that. So I'll do the other side. I'm going to do all 4 sides until I have them basically even the way I want it. Super fast, super easy. You can, if you're doing this for your dining room table, and you have the farmhouse look, these are perfect for placemats or a nice big long table runner going down your table. If you don't like the frayed look at the end, you don't have to do that. You can just, once you cut your canvas or rip your canvas, you can just put a little bit of fabric glue that dries clear to stop it from fraying, or you can take that it's no sew tape, and you put it down and then you peel it and then it's clear, and then you could just go like that and make a hem. So there's no sewing, no gluing, you just use that tape, and they sell it at Joann's Fabrics. They sell it at Michael's. It's very inexpensive. And you can basically hem anything with it without sewing or without gluing. So if you wanted to make it neater, instead of having it frayed, you would use that. That would be nice if you want to make napkins to match, because this can be washed. So if you wanted to make the canvas napkins to go along with your placemats, you can do it to the desired side and then tuck it under, because that stuff is washable. So I'm just going to continue to pull. Like I said, you want to try to find the end. There it is. I could put that in the back. Let me see that side. This side has to be done. Some of them are really tight, so you got to really work at it to try to get it. There you go. If you have burlap, you could do the same thing with burlap. Once you pull a string out, it makes a line going across the whole thing. I do have a ton of burlap, but I decided that I wanted to use this. I need to get it to pull down here more. This is very tightly woven there for some reason. There we go. So I've been working on my coffee bar the past couple of days, and I do have a tutorial, but I still have to, you know, edit it because all the videos and all the pictures that I took to get to where I had it, you know, to where it's almost done, is way too long. I think it would be like almost 2 hours. Nobody's going to sit through a 2-hour video, that's for sure. I mean, I have sat, you know, and watched a whole bunch of videos that were really long, you know, 45 minutes, an hour. It depends on the subject. But yeah, to do a piece of furniture, sit there for 2 hours, I don't think so. So when I get that edited, I'm trying to look for, there it is. I don't know why this side's so hard to get out. Usually you just pull it and it's so easy. I mean, that might be frayed enough. Like I said, I'll put that towards the back. Alright, so, see? It's frayed. And it looks nice. And I'm going to put this underneath my coffee machine on top of the wooden tabletop that I made on the one piece of furniture, because even though I stained it twice, polyurethaned it twice, I just don't want the water to like leak that much. If the water does, you know, spill from the coffee machine, at least it's got something to fall onto instead of onto the straight wood. So that's how fast and easy you can make placemats. Like I said, napkin rings out of canvas. And sorry I'm doing this video on my dryer, but we're redoing the bathroom downstairs, so everything from the bathroom is basically on my dining room table. And I'm in the midst of doing a whole bunch of crafts for my niece Brittany's baby shower, which I can't post any of those videos yet because her shower's not until the 14th, and we don't want her seeing them. But she kind of knows I'm making stuff, but she doesn't know what. So once the baby shower's over, I will show you everything that I was making. I'm just helping my sister-in-law out a little bit. I got paint. I was staining another piece of wood for my coffee bar this morning, and I got paint on me. I got stain underneath my nails, so don't mind my fingers. I'm gonna jump in the shower in a little bit because I'm gonna run out to the stores, but yeah, I didn't clean up yet. Alright, so there you have it, fast and easy. And if you wanted to, you can monogram with some fabric paint and a stencil, or you can paint anything on this as long as it's fabric paint and that it stays on. So you could, like, if you want to do ones for Halloween, Thanksgiving, you could do leaves on it, you could do pumpkins. For Easter, you could have done a little bunny rabbit, you know, even with fabric paint and a stamp. You could stamp things onto it, just make sure you use fabric paint. So there you have it, easy to do, canvas placemats. Thanks for watching, everybody. Please subscribe to my channel, please like. Hit that notification bell because I have so many videos coming up in the future on how to do the rustic farmhouse baby shower. And plus I'll be doing a video of the entire baby shower. Can't wait for that. And I'll be doing some more soaping videos because I have a couple of loaves of soap that I need to make for an order for May. So for June, so I'll be doing that like the beginning of May. And yeah, so just please keep watching. I really appreciate all my viewers. If there's something that you would like to see me do, please put it in the comments below. And thanks for watching. Everybody have a blessed day. Bye.